Bunions are not caused by shoes. We often get that all the time. We'll see patients that come in, they'll say, well, I have bunions because I wore high heels. Not necessarily. For my foot type, for example, I could wear high heel shoes till the day I died, and although I would get lots of comments and laughter from my colleagues if I did that, I would still never develop a bunion. I just don't have the foot structure that lends itself to a bunion. So shoes don't cause bunions. What causes bunions are genetics. If you have bunions and you look at enough feet at your family reunion, you will see who gifted you with those bunions. You'll be able to figure out where your bunions came from because somebody in your family had bunions if you have bunions. So shoes will make them worse. They will actually make them happen faster because if you wear high heel shoes, it increases the force on the big toe joint and can cause the bunion to get bigger faster. If you wear closed-in shoes that are pointy or tight or have seams or stitching that run right over that bump, it will irritate them and make them hurt more. So they can both increase the speed of formation of a bunion, and they can also really aggravate a bunion and make it more symptomatic or more painful. But shoes never cause bunions. They just simply make them worse.